So in today's video we're going to unbox Blue Microphone's latest microphone. It's called the Yeti Nano and it's the successor to Blue Microphone's biggest seller of all time, the Yeti. Now, is this any good? I have no idea, but it says premium, so that's a good thing at least. Let's start with the unboxing. Let's dig into it. I'm gonna start by saying super sorry for the audio quality, guys. Unfortunately, my older Blue microphone broke, the older Blue Yeti, so I had to order a new one. And yeah, so this was the only option for me. Super sorry for that, but for future videos I will be using the new microphone, the Yeti Nano, the one that we are going to unbox in this video. But hey, we haven't even started, so hey, how is it going, guys? Robin here on Chips Entertainment, bringing you the best tips and tools for gaming. On this channel you'll find PC components, tech gadgets and console accessories, as well as product reviews and unboxings such as this one. So if you're interested in that, consider subscribing and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any UC uploads on my end. And in this video we're going to unbox the Yeti Nano, or the Yeti Nano. What do we got here? Alright, well, first and foremost, this microphone is smaller than the older Yeti. Here's a comparison between these two. You can actually see the difference. It's shorter. The older Yeti is actually quite heavy. It weighs in at about 1.2 pounds. Just the microphone, not the stand included, which is about 0.55 kilograms for all you Europeans and Aussies out there. Right, so first and foremost, it's smaller and lighter. The old Yeti is known for being very heavy, and I think they made the metal body way too big, way too thick, and therefore simply too heavy. It's a incredibly heavy mic, which causes problems when you want to put it on a stand. There is a bigger risk of the microphone falling to the ground and breaking, and if it happens to fall, it would much likely break, because condenser mics in general are known for being quite fragile. And one of the reasons why they never typically use condenser mics for live events where mics get tossed around a lot. In those situations, a dynamic microphone is a lot better because it's a lot more durable, basically. Also, we got two different recording patterns on this new microphone. Instead of 4 that we had with the OG Yeti, we got Omnidirectional and we got Cardioid. I love how I pronounce that. Alright, anyway, if you by any means don't know what these means, that means you probably don't need the other additional 2 patterns anyway. You gotta be good to go with the new Nano, so to speak. Now, for general gaming commentary, streaming on Twitch or YouTube and Discord, you're gonna want to stick to Cardioid anyway, so you gotta be fine here, guys. Also, thankfully, Blue decided to get rid of the old mini USB. We're gonna have a look at that in a few seconds, which is still a terrible connector port altogether. For one, it is outdated, and more importantly, it has a very short lifespan. I think they were only able to guarantee around 5,000 insertion cycles compared to 10k insertion cycles for the micro USB, which is at least double that. I know numerous friends that had trouble with intermittent connection after been using the old Yeti for a while, so hopefully this is gonna be a non-issue now. Now, with that all said, I think we covered. We got 0 latency output here, so you can monitor and listen to your voice as you are recording. It helps a lot when recording. I use it all the time to avoid clipping, etc. Also, this one supports 24-bit sound for the first time, which is a bump up in the right direction. The old Yeti only had support for 16-bit, which opens up for higher resolution audio. Now let's open the box. Let's see what we got here. This is what we got. What looks to be something to grab onto. So I'm gonna grab onto it, see what happens. Nothing happens. Am I supposed to? Alright, so yet again, a box in a box. Oh no, I think we need a knife here. Sorry, I forgot, guys. Where is Bethany when I need her? God damn it. I don't have a knife around. How am I supposed to solve this? 1 second, guys, I need to go grab a knife. Alright, I'm back. And let's see, let's focus on the box now. So let's focus on this new white box that we got. Let's see what might be hiding inside of it. Let's see, let's be careful here. So what do we got here? Some sort of instruction. Yeti Nano premium USB mic for recording and streaming. Cool, cool. Blue Sherpa. Okay, so there's the software. Latest firmware update downloaded. Cool, cool. So there's some sort of software that comes with the mic this time. I wonder if this works with Mac OS as well. It's all written in Italiano, Dutch, and Espanol. I can't even read this. Alright, companion app. Okay, not sure what this is. And also you get 20% off when you're registering. When you are registering your blue microphone. Cool, cool. Let's dive deeper, guys. So this is some sort of foam, black foam here. Put that on, put that away, and look at that. Look at that. Gotta give them props for the packaging. Looks very luxurious. Let's see, let's grab this one, see what we got here. So this is the cable, I think. Let's have a look at the cable super quick. Right, so we got the new USB, mini USB, micro, sorry, not mini. This is a micro USB, actually. A little bit shorter than the one from my old Yeti. I think, or you can find all the specification down in the description, guys. Anyway, let's dive deeper. Not a fan of these type of stands because they usually, wow, nice. Pick up a lot of sound coming from the table, so to speak. So I much rather use a separate stand with no contact. I'm just talking way too much. Let's just focus on the microphone for a second. So this is it. Nice. Very, very nice. I like it a lot. Sweet. Alright, so this is basically the new microphone. It's so much smaller. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Wow. Such a huge difference between the newer one and the old one. Now, keep in mind, this one has 4 patterns, right? And this one only comes with 2. So I would assume that this one has, I think it's 3 or 4 mics in total. This one probably only got 2 or maybe 1. Probably 2. Therefore, it makes it cheaper. This one costs you around $100. You can find the links down below, guys. Also, what else do we got? So we got a volume wheel on the front, right? And probably this would probably work the same way as it did with the older one. Wanna check this out in the full upcoming review, of course. Underneath we got what do we got here? 3.5mm jack for audio monitoring, and we got the USB one on the other side to power the microphone, of course. And on the back we got the pattern, so you can switch between the Omnidirectional and the Cardioid. And guys, that's basically it. Now I'm gonna take this headset off and I am going to start using this new microphone instead. So hopefully next video will sound a lot better. Now that being said, guys, I want to know in the comments, how much are you willing to spend on a microphone? This one is $100. It sounds probably gonna sound amazing, so it's a good purchase if you need a new microphone for streaming and for gaming commentary. It's a no-brainer, right? Now, guys, let me know in the comments how much you're willing to pay for a microphone, and thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, guys, have an awesome day, alright? Bye!